Hi everyone, welcome back to Various Kitchen Vlogs. Various Kitchen Vlogs ലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Today I have come with a magical drink which will help us in weight loss. But one thing we should remember, along with this drink, we must also follow a proper balanced diet. And it can give good result if we also do exercises regularly. Let us go to the kitchen and see what are these two types of drinks which will help us in weight loss. We are going to prepare the first drink. For the first drink, we need the items. You see a piece of cinnamon, few mint leaves, little lemon juice, little ginger juice and little honey. Let us see how it is prepared in our kitchen. To prepare the first drink, I need 3 glasses of water. In that, I'll add in a small piece of cinnamon and few mint leaves. I will boil it well till it reduced into 2 glasses. See, the first drink I have boiled with cinnamon and the mint leaf. Now it has become lukewarm. This lukewarm water I will transfer to the glasses. Now in this I will add 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, one tablespoon of honey, one tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix this well and your fat burning health drink is ready. If you take this in the early morning, you will see what magic you will get. The result will be very positive. And one thing we should always remember, when we are adding honey to any water, it should be lukewarm. Should not add honey to the very hot water. For the second drink, I do not require much ingredients. I need small pieces of ginger and 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey. Now these ginger pieces I will cut into small pieces. Now I will transfer this into a blending jar and I will crush and bring it. Now I am transferring this into a big bowl. In this I will put 3 glasses of water. and boil it for 15 minutes. This is the water I boiled with only ginger, crushed ginger. Now I will strain it into a big cup. The second drink contains only 2 ingredients. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of honey. This drink we should take before going to bed. One is night drink, other one is morning drink. Both will reduce our fat. See, these are the 2 kinds of fat burning drinks I made for you. You see, nowadays we are not having any control over our food because we are sitting at our home, especially children. They do not have any activities, they can't go out and play. So, fat is increasing only. So, we can reduce if we take these kinds of drinks in the early morning. This is the early morning drink and this is the night drink. So I hope everyone has liked this. If you have any suggestion regarding this, you can put up in the comment box. Always welcome. Suggestions are always welcome. I hope everyone has liked it. If you like it, please like, share, comment and also subscribe to my channel. And also try to promote my blog, that is Warriors Kitchen Vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. Take care all of you. Bye bye.